Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crying the Heart, and I'm back to share an embellishment video. So I needed to make some embellishments for my tea swap, and so I didn't show it in my last video because I was still working on them. And so anyway, I'm using this Marianne Designs Creatables die right here, and I made this little tray with the macaroons on it. Not cute? I just packaged it up in clear packaging. And this is all using Graphic 45 Ladies Diary. Isn't that cute? So the other thing that I made is these little teacups. So this teacup is a Tim Holtz teacup alterations. And so you can stack your teacups if you want or whatever. Stack them because there's like a little slit here. So if you wanted to, you could slide your teacup in there and you could stack them, but I don't want to do that. So anyway, I just used some flowers that I had in my stash. They're Prima flowers. And then I also had this bling cluster, also from Prima. And then I just used this tea time sentiment. And there it is right there. Isn't that cute? And then the last embellishment I made were these cute little, I don't know what they're called, medallions, blue ribbons. Like that's what they kind of remind me of. This die is from Dear Lizzie. I've had it forever. And so you could easily make your own one of these. You just use a scallop punch and then just cut some strips and then make fishtail banners at the bottom, like little fishtails, and then attach them and you've got your own little banner. But I have the die, so I use that. And then I got this AliExpress die set. Came with a teacup and a teapot. So I use that in green and gold glitter, and then another little Prima flower right there. And so those are the embellishments. And so as far as packaging, I kind of patterned my packaging off of Bona over at Live Love Scrap. She had a video on how to make this. Now, I have a slit punch, the one that she's using. I have it somewhere. I just don't know where it is, like at all. I saw it not that long ago and then it just disappeared. I have like every other punch like it except that one. I have like 4 or 5 of the little Stampin' Up! Punches like this. I have this one. I have a corner rounder. I have a other rounder. I have all kinds of things, but can't find that one. So it is around here somewhere. But anyway, that's what I patterned it after. And then I had gotten a couple of these little cluster flowers in my pair swap. So I used it on this and on this one. And so all I did was package these two up in here. So there's one that's not done yet. You can see I screwed up right here. So I'm just going to end up taping this one down. But basically, I do have this punch, which is sort of like the European tag punch. I don't know what it's called, but I do have this punch. And so I'm able to make this cut right here. And then I'm just going to glue this one down and then just do a belly band. And I don't have any more of this, so I cut a little teapot out. And so that'll go right there. So all I will do with these right here is pop these in a cellophane bag. So this is I think it's the 4x6 bag. So I just pop these two in here, like so, and then undo this, close it up, and then take this in here. So what I did was I just used a little ATG, just a little strip of it, just so that it'll stay. And then I put my bag in like so. And then that will go there. So I'm just going to use a little strip of ATG, and that way it'll be really easy to open. And then there's that. And then I just used a strip of, I don't think this is a small strip. I just used a strip of scrap that's kind of coordinated with it. And of course, I can't find a good scrap that I want to use. I'll use this one. This is pretty. So, oh, this one's big. So you just wrap your belly band around. Like so. I'm just going to trim. And so then all I did for this, and so this is super easy, and this is going to go in my T-swap, and then I will be getting that in the mail. I don't know if I'm going to get it in the mail before Monday. Monday's usually my, Monday's usually my mail day. Got a lot going on this weekend. My kids actually start their spring break already, which I think is like, I don't know, I think it's insanely early for spring break. So, you know, I'm going to the Laker game. I don't know. My daughter has choreography. We're going to go to SeaWorld. So it's pretty busy. Pretty busy. So baseball season kind of makes things also very busy. So anyway, that's my, as I ramble on, place is a mess, of course, because I've been crafting like crazy to get these projects done. So yeah, so these are, I had to make 3 embellishments, and so I've got 2 of them in these little packages, and then the third one are these little macaroons, and so I'll just pop them in the little bag that I made, and they're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.